Let's play a guessing game. I will ask and you will say. Are you ready? Here we go. What starts with A? Astronaut. Yes, A is for astronaut. What starts with B? Butterfly. Yes, B is for butterfly. What starts with C? Cloud. Yes, C is for cloud. What starts with D? Doctor. Yes, D is for doctor. What starts with E? Earth. Yes, E is for earth. What starts with F? Flower. Yes, F is for flower. What starts with G? Garden. Yes, G is for garden. What starts with H? House. Yes, H is for house. So many words to know. Watch our garden grow. Can you guess them all? Standing big and tall. ABC. What starts with I? Island. Yes, I is for island. What starts with J? Jungle. Yes, J is for jungle. What starts with K? King. Yes, K is for king. What starts with L? Leaf. Yes, L is for leaf. What starts with M? Mountain. Yes, M is for mountain. What starts with N? Nest. Yes, N is for nest. What starts with O? Ocean. Yes, O is for ocean. What starts with P? Police. Yes, P is for police. So many words to know. Watch our garden grow. ABC. What starts with Q? Queen. Yes, Q is for queen. What starts with R? Rain. Yes, R is for rain. What starts with S? Sun. Yes, S is for sun. What starts with T? Tree. Yes, T is for tree. What starts with U? Umbrella. Yes, U is for umbrella. What starts with V? Volcano. Yes, V is for volcano. What starts with U? Water. Yes, W is for Walker. What starts with X? Olive. Yes, X. X is for Darrow. What starts with Y? Yard. Yes, Y is for yard. What starts with Z? Zoo. Yes, Z is for zoo. You guessed them all.